another breaking update coming in as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, because we're learning that Madras High Court has issued a strict order ahead of Bakrid, in fact directing the Tamil Nadu government to ensure that no cattle slaughter take place in the state. A very crucial observation by the Madras High Court. The court observed that cow slaughter is not an essential practice in Islam and said that all the rules related to animal slaughter must be strictly followed only in the designated slaughterhouse. A bench of Justices G.R. Swaminathan also ordered officials and the senior police officials as well to ensure strict enforcement of the ban across the state of Tamil Nadu. The order comes while hearing a public interest petition, that is PIL, filed by a resident from Coimbatore seeking a ban on the cow slaughter in other public places, what we are learning. Let me go across to my colleague Dharani on this. Dharani, do tell us more about the order of the court, because we're learning that the court has observed that cow slaughter is not an essential practice in Islam. Give us more details about the observation by Madras High Court.
Well, the Madras High Court has pointed out that cow was considered as a revered animal during the Constituent Assembly debates, and even during the rule of Muslim kings in India, the cow slaughter had been banned. And this is the key point that has been mentioned by the Madras High Court during the hearing. And in fact, the court has went on to say that the Supreme Court had observed in many occasions that Muslims do not sacrifice cows on Bakrid day. Sacrifice of a cow on that day is not an obligatory overt act for Muslims to exhibit their religious belief, is what court has told. So this is a very important point. The court has told that Muslims they do not feel obligatory to slaughter a cow on the day of Bakrid. It is not something mandatory. It is not something that every Muslim does, is what the court has told. And based on this, now they pronounced an order that cow slaughtering should be banned across Tamil Nadu, not only in public places but also in other designated areas too. So the DGP and the Chief Secretary should ensure that no cow slaughtering takes place on the Bakrid day, and also on other days, other religious days also, is what the Madras High Court has told. We have to wait and see how the DMK and the other opposition parties, especially the ruling Tamilnaga Vettri Kalagam, is going to react to this development, because since this is a matter of sensitivity, this is connected to religion in some way. We have to wait and see what stands the various political parties in Tamil Nadu they are going to take.
All right, so key observation by the Madras High Court. The court has directed the TVK government there in Tamil Nadu to ensure that no cattle slaughter takes place on the eve of Bakrid or on any other day as well. Thank you so much, Thani, for getting us all those details. We have reaction coming in, and from the Bharatiya Janata Party, because the BJP has welcomed the order and saying that it should be strictly implemented by the TVK government there. A political row that has now broken out after the Madras High Court's order on the cow slaughter ahead of the Bakrid in Tamil Nadu as well. Let me take you through what Narayan Tirupati of the Bharatiya Janata Party has said on this. Taking to social media, he said that Madras High Court has imposed a ban on the torture of cows and calves in Tamil Nadu. It has ordered the government to ensure that cows or calves should not be tortured on the day before the Bakrid festival or any other day. Furthermore, the court's ruling that sacrificing cattle during the Bakrid festival is not necessary is commendable, is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said. This is the Tamil Nadu leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party who has said that the order by the High Court is commendable. Let me once again go back to my colleague Dharani on this. Dharani, the political row has erupted over the High Court order as well. We'll go back to her once again, but let's once again tell you the observation that is coming from the Madras High Court. The court has observed that when it comes to the sacrifice, it is not the essential part of the festival or of Islam as well, and also saying and asking the state government to ensure that no cow slaughter or calf slaughter takes place as well. And we also have reaction coming in from the DMK over this as well. We are learning that DMK has questioned the TVK ally, IUML, and has slammed IUML a double standard when it comes to this. DMK said that will IUML move the Supreme Court against the order. So slamming the ally of TVK, that is IUML, and calling out the double standard of the ally there in in Tamil Nadu. Let me take you through what A. Sarvanan of the DMK has said on this. He said that Madras High Court has issued an order prohibiting the sacrifice of cows on Bakrid and on other days. Does IUML, which is the ally of the TVK there in Tamil Nadu, have any opinion on this matter? Will they submit a petition in the Supreme Court for this appeal? Will they let it pass without causing any trouble to the alliance leadership? So prodding IUML to react on this and saying that will they be approaching the Supreme Court to challenge this particular order? Will they be filing an appeal against this as well? So political row that has erupted over this crucial observation that is coming from the Madras High Court when it comes to the slaughter of cows and cattle on Bakrid that is concerned. We'll continue to get you more updates and reactions from the political parties on this with this very short break. More news and updates on the other side.